Every summer, Kawartha Conservation hires a couple of students to paddle around Lake Scugog and talk to shoreline landowners.
I was really wondering what it was and what was going on. Kind of strange, actually.
How are you?
Good.
We train our Blue Canoe staff every year to teach shoreline residents about the health of their lake, but then to teach them some best management practices. This is a really good time to reach out to those landowners because they can really see the connection to the lake while they're sitting on the shoreline.
They talked about the septic and the shoreline and the different plants that you can actually plant things. I didn't realize that.
Things like inspecting your septic system, getting it pumped out if it's necessary, naturalizing your shoreline to create a riparian buffer, even just picking up dog poo and goose poo so that that doesn't end up in the lake. So there are a lot of simple actions that landowners can take. It's designed to be fun, so we don't want landowners to feel like we're shaking our finger at them and we're telling them, how to manage their land. We want to engage with them in a very friendly way.
We let the shoreline grow because, it promotes the animals and all this, and it helps with my purple martins, which we love our birds, of course, and it helps with the turtles, and it actually helps with the shoreline too, because it doesn't seem to come up as much as it used to, and that's what happened to my boathouse when it got knocked over by the shoreline many years ago. It's just excellent for the environment. The kids love the frogs. I mean, you can have a little beach or something like that, but let the rest grow.